Hello there. It's the first day of a green market today. And if you're catching this today, there's a couple of stocks that are about to break out or in the process of breaking out that I wanted to bring you up to date on, so you can maybe take action if you want to. The first one is called Meritage Homes, symbol is MTH. And this stock had a nice little run up. You can see that run up right in here. And look at how many weeks in a row off a nice hammer candle right there. You know, I always talk about hammer candles. I think that's indicative of a great run-up. So you've got a beautiful high-volume hammer candle, and look at how many weeks in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 9 weeks up. And then it consolidated in here a little bit. And so you can see it came back to the 200-day moving average, which is completely normal. And now the stock is getting ready to break out. Today we have a brand new green market, which I have a rule in my system. And if you follow me or one of my students, you know my rule is you have to buy something or add something on the first day of a green market. Why? It's a discipline thing, right? Because all this negative news about recession and Jerome Powell and all these other things are telling us we shouldn't be buying stocks, but the market is telling us something else. And you have to look at the action on the market. I believe in market timing. I know that it works. I've seen that it works. And when I call green markets, 80% of the time it works. So Meritage Homes, let's take a look over at the left side first before we finish analyzing what I think could happen on the stock. So look at these beautiful earnings growth. Just looking from 2021, $19 a share to $26 a share. Okay, we had a little bit of a setback in 2023, and now we are estimated to kind of maintain that same, and then next year it's going to grow a little bit as well. So you can look and say, all right, well, the earnings per share growth is about 41% over that period of time, you know, the 3 or 4 year period. And the return on equity is about 17%. And, you know, I like to have return on equity being around that level or higher. And so it's doing a couple of the right things. It's got a relative strength rating of 88, which means it's performing better than 87% of all the stocks in the database. And so I like that. And so now looking at this consolidation, you know, you saw this run up and then you saw this pullback, and this pullback went and it kind of wiped out this little cup and handle or this little V-shaped pattern right here, and it started a brand new base. So we're in an early stage base. So we're in a first stage base, and this stock is basically being bought not solely on its earnings or its sales. What's happening though is the housing market is probably heating up. Here's why. Because if the Fed does lower rates, and they pretty much have to, right? Even though they're saying they're going to raise or they're saying they may raise, they're underneath the curtains being dovish. In other words, what most people probably don't know because they watch the mainstream media is that underneath the covers, the Fed is basically stopping to tighten, right? So the QT that they were doing is now stopping. What's happening is the Treasury is coming in and taking over all of that money printing, right? And the Fed is basically getting to save face. The Fed is screwed anyway. The government is screwed. All we do is spend money. We are in big trouble. But who knows when that trouble is going to come to pass? So we can't be trading on that. We have to know that if the Fed tapers, right, what's going to happen? Interest rates will slightly adjust down, and that's going to be bullish for stocks. Meritage Homes is one of those stocks that could benefit from a bullish trend of lowered rates over time. Now, here's what I think could happen to this stock. We have this little run up here that's gone from 109 to basically 180. So that's basically a $70 run. Then we have a pullback in here, right? So we see this pullback to roughly the same area, right around the 200-day moving average. It's about 150. So if we say it's going to run about another 90, that's a $240 stock price that I put on it. So take a look at Meritage Homes. This one has the potential to run to 240. Now listen, 40% of all breakouts fail. So if this one fails, just have a stop loss in so you don't lose more than 7% from a proper breakout point, which that breakout point is right here, 177. I would say, you know, somewhere, I think this top, 178.82. Call it 179. Right in here is the breakout point of Meritage. Okay, the next one is Learn. It's Stride, really, but LRN is the symbol. And these people are in the education business. So am I. So I get it. And I love the fact that if you look over on their fundamental side, you can see, look at this earnings growth. It's crazy, right? From 79 cents to $1.71 to 252 to 297 to 527 this year to 575. And this is going in the right direction. That's why it has a 97 earnings per share rating. And you could take a look. Return on equity is a little low for me, but the earnings per share growth rate is 41% over a period of time, 3-year period of time. I like all that, but looking down here at the bottom, look at the quarter-over-quarter changes. Triple and double digits most of the time, especially lately. That's really bullish. And then we've got sales. Look at the sales growing at double digits. Now, I would love that to be over 20%, but you can't have all the dots painting the perfect picture, because then the stock would already be fully valued. So what we're doing is we're looking at this stock and saying, all right, where is it breaking out? Well, let's take a look. We've got this this little consolidation building right in here. And so now it's at the top of that consolidation. Folks, this stock is in a breakout right now. It's the top of it right now is 69.99 it got to. It pulled back a little bit on Friday. And so here's the breakout spot. The breakout spot is about $70, okay? $70 on a breakout. And what you want to see is some really good volume on that. You'd like to see more than 40% volume on the breakout. Now we're looking at a weekly chart. And by the way, this is my 40-week moving average, the black line, and this is my 10-week moving average, the red line. A lot of people are asking me to tell you what the lines are. So we're getting a breakout right in here. And if you know anything about the learning space, right, you look at what's going on in college. Online learning is basically taking over knowledge, right? So why would you spend $70,000 a year to go to college and learn about religious studies or art history when you can learn about day trading or making income from covered calls or whatever? And online trading companies like mine, like Stride, are doing this thing. The online education business is just taking off. And so this is the trend that you can capitalize on. It's got a 93% relative strength rating. Let's take a look at where I think this stock could go. And it's a monster, right? It's a monster. And we are on a logarithmic chart, so that makes a difference. But we've got basically from 35 all the way up to, well, to about 70, right? 35 to 70. And that's a $35 gain. And then we had a pullback here for the B to C leg. Okay, and that pullback came to about 54. So you add 34, and this stock is showing that it could go to 90. That's a pretty big increase from here, right? And it could go even higher if it continues to, to do these numbers that it's doing right now. So those are the two breakout stocks that I see right now. It's the first day of a green market. We got a couple of good breakout stocks. This is a time for you to do your research, because you got to buy something today, and you should do an ad if you already have a position. But if you don't, this is a good stock to take a look at. Remember, do your own research. This is for education, and this is not financial advice. Oh, by the way, if you are interested in doing this, I am relaunching a couple of my courses in a couple of months. And so if you're interested in being a part of my courses, or just finding out videos that we put out like this, subscribe below. It's go to cashflowmachine.io/tips. I have a newsletter. It's free. It's called Insider Tips, and we give you all kinds of stuff like this, but we give it all in one place. So you'll get an email, and it'll have all of my stock tips. It'll have my lists. It'll have my breakouts. It'll have my videos. It'll have all that stuff in one spot, so you don't have to go hunting and pecking all around YouTube or wherever you see this. So I would recommend you join that, and then when the new trading course gets launched, you can be a part of that. But I have trading courses that are going on right now that show you how to make income. And I do have something called the Income Accelerator, which is launching here in actually this month in May. So at the end of May, the Income Accelerator launches. If you're interested in that, I'll put the link down below. All right, thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.